Welcome. Thank you
Hello.
so much for joining us today. So where is your team from? Where are you calling us from today?
We are Team Belarus from Belarus.
Hi there.
Hi. Wow, Team Belarus. So what is your project?
Our project is a computer discovery of the novel anti-COVID-19 drugs.
Yeah, so we're aiming at
Interesting. So
working with drug design.
You're working with drug design. So this is
Yeah,
very
we
interesting.
like
So
machine
your
learning
tool
and
will
drug design
accelerate the
for
ability to
drugs.
find cures and treatments?
Yes, so there is an well-established team of researchers from the Belarusian United Institutes of Informatics Problems, and I'm graduating from Belarusian State University, and my science mentor is a member of that team, and I'm a data scientist myself, and we decided to join our efforts in fighting the coronavirus, as this team has a lot of experience in working against HIV, and I decided that I could be of some help from the data science part, and we decided to join the computer modeling power with the modern machine learning approaches.
Yeah, we have a big
So you're
experience
combining
with
modern
some
machine
viruses.
learning with computing power. Okay.
And with computer modeling and modern generative approaches from machine learning. Yeah, right.
So your experience with HIV in regards to drug design, are you seeing that experience is useful with the tool you're designing for COVID?
Yes, I think it can be very useful because the COVID-19 is also virus. If there are some specialists, they can tell that all viruses have the same structure. Of course, it is not absolutely the same, but for our research, we can use this knowledge to build our model. So I think it will be very useful and can help to a lot of people because with our model, we can reduce the number of compounds which will be tested. That is means that we will save a lot of money for testing and of course a lot of time, and we hope that it will save a lot of lives.
This is very interesting, and this is a very tech-focused solution. So can you give us an idea to the general community, like you're saying how this would make it quicker? But let's be very specific with one thing. Let's say I'm using your tool and I'm using it to help design a treatment. Could this be the difference between, let's say, could we save 6 months of time?
I think it is hard to say that it could be 6 months. In general, for testing one drugs need around 10 years. But if we are using our model, we can reduce this, for example, to 1 year. How does it work? If we reduce the number of compounds, that means that, for example, we have to test 1,000 compounds. If we are not using, we have to test at 1 million compounds. So easy to understand how many time and money we can save if we are using our model.
Yeah, and so basically we should distinguish the modeling part and the trials part, because we can't help with testing, but we can help with the generated better potential drugs with better properties.
So that means you're able to more efficiently use the limited resources we have to bring these drugs to the public. And so what you're saying, you're going from, instead of having to test, let's say something impossible, 1 million different chemical compounds, you reduce it to 1,000, which means we can accelerate delivery of this.
Basically,
can you tell me any unique experiences you've had at the hackathon? Oh, sorry.
You mean on that hackathon?
Yes. So this is a community effort. What about your interactions with the community as you've been working on this hackathon?
Yeah, right. So I think it's been awful. Sorry. It's been a great experience from the point of connecting with people. So we do have a strong biologist team, and I think I'm the only data scientist in the team, and that's pretty vulnerable. You know, this is the most vulnerable part of our team, and we were able to connect with a lot of mentors who have an extremely large experience in data science, and we reached out to them. And I think yesterday we had like maybe 6 hours of meetings, and we appreciate all the help. and it was just really good to connect with other people and to get some help from their experience.
Yeah, and also we are like young scientists, didn't have a lot of experience how to share our idea right. It was very useful that someone helped us how we have to get it to the peoples, how they can to understand it, because a lot of scientific idea it is usually very hard to understand, and that is why we are really pleasant to our mentors help to us with this.
That's beautiful. And so that's what you're sharing with us is that mentors were very helpful in your experience and are a critical success factor.
Yeah,
Do you have any
absolutely.
parting words
They give
for the
some
participants?
advice how to make.
Any what words? Sorry.
Can you repeat, please?
Any final words for the participants to inspire them?
Work hard, find mentors, ask them, find new solution, try to do your best, and good luck in the final.
Yeah, I was gonna say that this problem that the world has faced recently, it's really after joining the hackathon, I feel like there are a lot of people that can do some really good good job, good research, and help with fighting the virus. But they need resources, they need some guidance, and it's really cool what's going on here. I hope that that all the good projects will be noticed and will continue their work later on after the hackathon.
Yeah.
Well, wonderful. Thank you very much. And we look forward to seeing the progress in your project and have a great last day of the hackathon.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.